Let's face it, knowing what's okay and what's not okay in a salon isn't always so simple. For instance, have you ever considered bringing your own nail polish to a salon? Is it rude or totally okay? It's a tough call, to be sure, but that's why we made this video. Keep watching for some pros and cons of both. Pro: color choice. Probably the biggest reason to bring your own nail polish is to make sure you get the color you're after. After all, there's no guarantee that your salon of choice will have your favorite color. What's the point in spending your hard-earned money if you can't get what you want? Con: decreased value. One of the biggest drawbacks to bringing your own nail polish is that it will decrease the value of the service. You're not going to get any discount for bringing your own polish, so you're actually paying full price for a service that you're not getting in its entirety. Also, it may appear that you're telling the salon and its workers that what they have isn't good enough for you. Pro: better business. Bringing your own polish can save the salon money. If you're supplying your own nail polish, you're actually helping them preserve their own materials. And that means that there's more money in their wallets. Since you're also paying for the application of your favorite polish, salons are effectively making more money this way. Con: misunderstandings. You're definitely going to want to let the workers know that you have your own polish with you. Why? Because the salon might be under the impression that you have taken the polish from their store. Imagine leaving your appointment at the salon in handcuffs. Not a good look, even if it's all one big misunderstanding. It may be best to avoid the situation entirely. Words of advice: though some salons won't care if you bring your own polish, it's always best to check. Call ahead and ask, just to be safe. Don't be afraid to tell your salon why you brought your polish to begin with. Most will understand that you're just looking to get the color you want on your nails, so there's no reason to fear any backlash. Above all else, be nice. If they aren't okay with you bringing your own polish, don't take it as a slight. Deciding whether or not to bring your own polish at a salon can be a tough call. At the end of the day, there's no right or wrong answer here. As always, use common sense and check ahead before scheduling your appointment. And for more great tips, be sure to check out our site. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.